The interpretations of dreams is the royal road to a knowledge of the unconscious activities of the mind. Where it was, there ego shall be. The ego is not master in its own house. Time spent with cat is never wasted. The first man who hurled an insult instead of a stone was the founder of civilization. The mind is like an iceberg. It floats with 1/7 of its bulk above water. Being entirely honest with oneself is a good exercise. One day, in retrospect, the years of struggle will strike you as the most beautiful. From error to error, one discovered the entire truth. Sometimes a cigar is just a cigar. When inspiration does not come to me, I go halfway to meet it. The voice of the intellect is a soft one, but it does not rest until it has gained a hearing. Men are more moral than they think and far more immoral than they can imagine. Out of your vulnerabilities will come your strength. The task of the artist is to give form to our innermost struggles. We are never so defenseless against suffering as when we love. Everywhere I go, I find a poet has been there before me. He does not believe that does not live according to his belief. Man's most important fear is the fear of his own death. I cannot think of any need in childhood as strong as the need for a father's protection.